How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. K-pop is more popular than ever. All their music videos have millions upon millions of views even when they are released like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, the market capitalization and the demand are huge. So you want to be able to create K-pop music yourself now and gain all those views, subscribers and money? Well, you are in luck because... Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own K-pop song and music video with AI. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, we are going to our beloved Chat-GPT and ask the following. Write me Korean K-pop lyrics for a new song. Okay, perfect. Luckily, Chat-GPT clarified the theme of the song. Otherwise, I had no idea. Next up, we are going to Suno. Suno is an amazing free-to-use AI music generator. After signing up, click on Create. And now go back to Chat-GPT and copy the lyrics and paste them right here in Suno. If you cannot see this lyrics section, make sure you have turned off the instrumental mode. Okay, now, to avoid major errors, we are going to add brackets for verse, chorus, etc. Yeah, we could also ask Chat-GPT to do that for us, but I will do it manually now. Now let's copy the song title from Chat-GPT and add it here in Suno. Now this is very important. We need to add the prompt for the style of music. So simply ask Chat-GPT to give you a description of the style of music for that song. Okay, that is a bit too long. I will ask it to make it shorter and more concise. Now add it to Suno. And when you are done, press Create. Now Suno will generate 2 versions of the song, and it is really fast normally. After like 10 seconds you can already listen to the result. Let's listen to the first song.
이 순간 내게 다 걸어 별이 빛나는 오늘 밤 불꽃처럼 날아올라 하늘을 가르고 빛을 쏴 터지는 이 감정 속에 너와 나 모든 걸 잊고서 화려하게 타올라 We grow up 끝없이 번져가 We blow up 너의 눈 속에 나를 봐 반짝이는
Okay, wow, that is just amazing. Now let's listen to the second song. Okay, not bad, but I like the first song way more. Let me know in the comments which one you liked more. So yeah, I will download the first song. Now open a new CapCut project and add the song in there. Okay, nice. Next up we need an album cover. So go to Chat-GPT and ask the following in the same chat. Please give me an image prompt of what kind of image would fit to this music as an album cover. Okay, nice. Now copy that prompt, and now we are going to let this generate in a free-to-use AI image generator. And this time, we'll be using Leonardo AI. Simply add the prompt here and press Generate. Oh, I was a bit too fast because I had the wrong fine-tune model selected, so I will generate it again. Okay, nice, not bad. This one is also great. But you know what, guys? An album cover is always square, 1:1. So let's change the dimensions accordingly and regenerate the image. Yes, this one is amazing. Let's download it. Okay, now we are going to edit this in Canva. So go to Canva, it is free to use, and they also have a 30-day free pro trial. Now click on YouTube thumbnail. And now add the album cover we've generated in here and make it larger. Okay, that's nice. Now click on Edit and go to Adjust. Here you can tweak some parameters to make the image look even better. Now duplicate the image and enlarge it like this. Now go to Position and Layers and put the largest image in the back. Now click on Edit again and then choose the blur effect. And click on Whole Image. Now change the intensity to your liking. Now when we go back, it looks like this. Okay, great. Now we are going to text and add a new heading. Now copy the song title and add it. Change the font, color, and position to your liking. Guys, just as a joke, I'm going to add this parental advisory sticker. Not gonna lie, this makes it look more professional. While we're at it, I'm also going to add a barcode. Okay, when you are done, press on Share, Download, and set the size maybe a bit higher to get a better quality output, and then press Download. Now add it to CapCut and enlarge it so it covers the entire song. Next up, we are going to add the lyrics so people can sing along. And guys, you could try the auto captions or even the auto lyrics, but 9 times out of 10, it won't do a perfect job. So we are going to take another approach. Go and copy and paste the song lyrics in a new Google Docs file. Now make sure to delete these things like verse 1, 2, chorus, etc. Now go to File, Download and export it as a plain text. Next up, go and search on Google for a TXT to SRT converter. I found this one, Go Transcript, and it is really straightforward. Simply upload the plain text file and now select the SRT format. And press Convert. Amazing, it automatically downloaded itself to my computer. Okay, now go back, go CapCut, and go to Captions and then click on Add Captions. Now click on Import File and now import the SRT file. Now drag this file onto the playlist. Look, there is the entire lyrics. We only need to make them longer and change the positions individually. Let's also change the font and add a nice and catchy preset. Now select all the lyrics and go to animation. I will pick this one, and I will also make the animation length longer to get a cooler effect. Next up, you could choose some effects. In this case, since the song is about fireworks, I'm going to add firework effects when the chorus is playing. Now we're going to do a cool thing. We're going to animate the album cover. Go to Effect and then to Motion. Now pick this AI effect and drag it onto the album cover image, and everyone gets 2 free credits to use it. So that is really cool. And the effect needs a bit of time to process. This one took 2.5 minutes. Let's watch it. Okay, that is very cool, but unfortunately it stops right at like 10 seconds. But no worries, simply cut the video right where the animation quits. And now duplicate that clip. Do a right click on that clip and make a compound clip out of it. Now select that second clip and add a reverse. And if this also happens to you where it takes ages to make a reverse from a clip, I've got another tip for you. Do a right click on the compound clip and press Save Preset. Now go back to Home and start a new project. On the left, go to Import, and then Your Presets, and look for the preset we just saved. Now drag it onto the timeline. And now export it in 4K. Next we go back to our other project and add that clip we just exported. And now you should be able to easily reverse it. Now I am going to add the reverse clip and normal clip everywhere, so it stretches out all over the song. Now that is basically it. You could add some filters, but I am going to leave it like it is. So yeah, now export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own K-pop song and music video with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
텅빈 하늘 아래서 나 홀로 빛을 내 어둠 속에서도 난 끝없이 타올라 차가운 바람이 스쳐도 두렵지 않아 심장 깊은 곳 붉은 불씨가 있어 고요한 어둠 깨워 운명에 맞서서 소리쳐 이 순간 내게 다가걸어 별이 빛나는 오늘 밤 불꽃처럼 날아올라 하늘을 가르고 빛을 쏴 터지는 이 감정 속에 너와 나 모든 걸 잊고서 화려하게 타올라 We grow up 끝없이 번져가 We grow up 너의 눈 속에 나를 봐 반짝이는 universe 함께 할 수 있다면 두려울 게 없어 매일 꿈꿔왔던 순간 여기서 시작돼 손을 잡아봐 더 멀리 가자 고요한 어둠 깨워 운명에 맞서서 소리쳐 이 순간에 내게 다가걸어 별이 빛나는 오늘 밤 불꽃처럼 날아와 하늘을 가르고 빛이 쏴 터지는 이 감정 속에 너와 나 모든 걸 잊고서 화려하게 타올라 We go up 끝없이 번져가 We blow up 너의 눈 속에 나를 봐 별빛 속의 멜로디 우리 둘의 맹세처럼 영원히 사라지지 않을 fire 불꽃처럼 날아와 하늘을 가르고 빛을 쏴 터지는 이 감정 속에 너와 나 모든 걸 잊고서 화려하게 타올라 We go up 끝없이 번져가 We blow up 눈을 감아봐 들려와 이 떨림 속의 멜로디 우리 둘의 맹세처럼 영원히 사라지지 않을 새벽이 오기 전까지 타오르는 이 맘은 절대 꺼지지 않을 fireworks